Welcome, and let's make the barefoot shoes from Sandals do-it-yourself kit. Let's take a look what's inside. The package you will receive will contain everything you need: laces, illustrated instructions, templates for adults, as well as children's sizes. There is a hole puncher as well for making holes in the template and the sole material for sandals. What tools do you need to use? You will need the scissors to cut out the templates. And you will need either a hammer or a meat mallet for the hole puncher. Then a pencil, definitely a very sharp knife, and also a cutting board on which you will cut the materials. Let's choose your size. Lay the templates on the ground and step on the standard size of your shoes. Then draw around your feet with a pencil perpendicular to the ground. You will find out how your size fits and adjust the shape of the sandal, and then you can go straight to the cutting. Stick to the same color of your size around the entire perimeter, so you can get the template for the sole of the sandals. Then create the holes in the template using a puncher. Let's start cutting to the materials. Draw entire shape of the template with the holes on the material. Use a pencil on the leather version and ballpoint pen on the rubber vegan version. Then punch a hole through which you will thread the laces to tie the sandals around your feet. And we can cut the whole sandal. The leather version is easier to cut with the sharp knife. You can use a scissors for a vegan rubber version. Repeat the entire production process for the second sandal. Once you have both soles ready, you can start tying the laces. If you can't get the lace through, use a pencil and widen the hole a bit. First, insert the lace through the finger hole in front of the sandal. Then, from the top through the hole in the side and twist around itself. Continue to inner side of the sandal, through the hole from the top, and twist again. The basic lacing is ready to be put on your feet. You can find more styles on our website, sandals.com, or use the QR code on the last page of illustrated manual. Thank you for creating with us. Write us an email if you need advice, and share your own experience